Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the forging bench. This is the forging bench. So you can upgrade this bench like this. You can unlock the forge 2, forge 3 and forge 4. And you can like this. For example, in forge 2 you can select your equipment sets or runes to be forged like this, and using the item, and you can obtain the item in the map by completing the quest. And also for 3, for example, and until for 4, and this is available when forge 4 is unlocked. So you can unlock this forge by upgrading this forging bench. But firstly, go to the camp, and as you can see, this is my camp. There are a lot of features here, and scroll right and you can find this construction bench. So tap this forging bench, and as you can see, I already unlocked for 1, and I have to unlock for 2 and unlock equipment refinement, and this is the required material. And I can obtain you can obtain this material by explore the forest of spirits, and also need 1000 of coin here to upgrade. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.